Rainwater, the rain knows its time. After start of spring, rainwater comes around February 19th. Snow turns to rain, and the rain gently wets the earth. Farmers are happy, the rain helps their crops grow. As the poet Du Fu wrote, good rain knows the right season. It sneaks in with the night wind, quietly nourishing everything. Rivers start to flow again after being frozen. In some places, people return to their parents' home with gifts. Rainwater reminds us, gentle things can be the most powerful.